I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook cilantro lime rice. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of long grain white rice, 1/2 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 2 limes, 2 cups of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Rinsing the rice is crucial. It removes extra starch, ensuring your rice is fluffy and separate, not clumpy. Now let's cook the rice to perfection. In a medium saucepan, combine your rinsed rice, 2 cups of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring this to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly, and let it simmer for exactly 15 minutes. Resist the urge to peak. Keeping the lid on traps the steam, which is essential for even cooking. The magic happens now with the flavor infusion. After 15 minutes of simmering, take the saucepan off the heat and let it rest, still covered, for another 10 minutes. This allows the rice to steam perfectly. Then, gently fluff the rice with a fork. Finally, stir in your 1/2 cup of freshly chopped cilantro and the juice from 2 limes. Give it a taste and adjust the salt if needed. Your delicious cilantro lime rice is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a vibrant and flavorful side dish. It pairs wonderfully with tacos, burritos, grilled chicken, or fish. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This simple yet incredibly flavorful rice is a fantastic and versatile addition to almost any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.